Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest in cutting-edge technology and innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home cleaning with the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. This is not just another robot vacuum, it's a game-changer in the world of automated cleaning. Let's jump right in and discover why the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is creating a buzz among homeowners and tech enthusiasts alike. It's not just a robot, it's your trusted cleaning partner. Features of the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Advanced navigation. The Roomba J7 Plus boasts state-of-the-art navigation technology that enables it to efficiently navigate your home. It effortlessly avoids obstacles, maneuvers around furniture, and even adapts to changes in your floor plan. Allergen lock bags. Say goodbye to dust clouds when emptying the bin. The Roomba J7 Plus uses allergen lock bags that trap 99% of pollen and mold allergens, keeping the air in your home clean and fresh. Precision jet spray. This robot vacuum doesn't just pick up dirt, it also tackles sticky messes. The precision jet spray loosens and scrubs away messes like dried-on food, leaving your floors spotless. Smart home integration. The Roomba J7 Plus seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem. You can control it using voice commands, schedule cleaning sessions with your preferred voice assistant, or even connect it to your smartphone for remote control. Custom cleaning. Tailor your cleaning experience with custom cleaning preferences. Whether you need a quick clean, a deep clean, or a focus on specific areas, the Roomba J7 Plus has you covered. Automatic dirt disposal. Say farewell to the hassle of emptying the bin after every cleaning cycle. The Roomba J7 Plus automatically empties its bin into the allergen lock bag base, giving you weeks of hands-free cleaning. Uses of the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. So, how can the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus transform your daily life? Effortless cleaning. Let the Roomba J7 Plus take care of the cleaning while you focus on what matters most to you. It works tirelessly to keep your floors clean and tidy. Allergy-friendly. If you or your family members suffer from allergies, the Roomba J7 Plus with its allergen lock bags can significantly improve your indoor air quality. Hands-free living. With automatic dirt disposal, you can enjoy weeks of cleaning without lifting a finger. It's the epitome of convenience. Smart home harmony. Seamlessly integrate the Roomba J7 Plus into your smart home setup for a truly connected and automated living experience. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is not just a robot vacuum, it's a sophisticated cleaning solution designed to make your life easier. With advanced features, smart home integration, and hands-free operation, it's the future of home cleaning. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. If you found this video informative and exciting, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with others who are ready to embrace the future of home cleaning. Until next time, enjoy the convenience and cleanliness that the Roomba J7 Plus brings to your home.